Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on PayPal without an SSN. First, understand that PayPal requires identification for all accounts to comply with financial regulations. For individuals without an SSN, a PayPal business account is often the most suitable option. This approach allows you to use an employer identification number, or EIN, instead of a social security number. This is a crucial first step to ensure your account remains compliant and fully functional for receiving payments. To proceed, you'll need to set up a PayPal business account. This type of account is specifically designed for commercial activities and offers enhanced features. Crucially, you can obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, for free directly from the IRS website. This unique 9-digit number identifies your business for tax purposes and acts as a perfect substitute for an SSN when verifying your PayPal account. Make sure all your business details align perfectly across all documentation. Once your business account is established with an EIN, PayPal will require further documentation for verification. Be prepared to submit documents like your business registration papers, a recent utility bill, or a bank statement. These items help confirm your business's legitimacy and physical address, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. The verification process usually takes approximately 3 to 5 business days after all necessary documents have been successfully uploaded and reviewed by PayPal's team. To ensure smooth operation and continued ability to accept payments, always keep your business information updated on your PayPal account. Regularly review PayPal's user agreement to stay informed about any policy changes that might affect your account. Maintaining accurate records of all your transactions is also vital for tax and compliance purposes. By diligently adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure uninterrupted service and confidently accept money on PayPal without needing a social security number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.